Well, the wildfire recovery and rebuilding process will be long and tedious. We all know that. For many, the first step is to contact their insurance company. But what happens next? And how difficult will that journey be? Hal Eisner got some tips.
Thousands of people are beginning the process of rebuilding after those devastating fires, and many of them are just overwhelmed by the process. Insurance expert Karl Susman talked to us about where they begin and what happens next.
The most important thing to do if you have a policy is file that claim. Get that claim filed and get that adjuster to start giving you money. There are regulations on the books that mandate how quickly an insurance company has to start giving you money for things like additional living expenses. I believe clothing, food, everything. People left their homes and never returned. They're literally starting from the clothes on their back. So they need to have money to pay for lodging. They have to have money to pay for food, to buy a laptop to keep working, everything.
And how quickly are people getting money?
Depending on the insurance company, and fortunately I can say this now, I was hoping I'd be able to, and I can, the carriers have really stepped up in a way that I only could have hoped they would. We're seeing EFT payments, electronic payments being made to clients every day in the millions of dollar range.
And what about people who are afraid of losing their insurance? What should they do?
The most important thing to do right now is, if you have a policy in place, is keep it. Make sure you don't this is not the time to be shopping around. This is not the shopping time. Make sure the policy is on auto pay. Make sure that it automatically pays. You don't want to have something missed in the mail and have that policy lapse. The chances of being able to obtain that policy again are very slim. If you've been non-renewed for a policy, check on the Department of Insurance's website, because they have put out bulletins that state that if you are in affected zip codes based on where these fires have been, or even adjacent zip codes, then you have a period of time when you cannot be non-renewed. It's not automatic. You might still get that notice. So you have to go to the website, put in your address, and you'll see, are you in one of those protected areas? Then just call your carrier, call your agent, call your broker, and say, hey, we need to lift that non-renewal.
We'll have more on Fox 11 News in Depth this Sunday on Fox 11 at 9:30 in the morning, and then on our sister station, Fox 11 Plus, at 12 noon. I'm Hal Eisner, Fox 11 News.